Been doing this.
So now, I got a few people come by, guys, just to reach out. Mr. Gary Gordon, Soul Brother. What's your name? They call
What's
you.
going on? This is On One.
On One from the great.
Originally from the Bay Area, I now live in Tacoma, Washington, chopping up with my partner, Big Money Rob, one of the best. As far as I'm concerned, he's the best in the business when it comes to this bike music stuff. I don't know any, and I've been a few places. I was the vice president of the Black Biker magazine for years. Some of you know me from there. And I haven't seen anybody that does anything compared to what he does.
Let me ask you a question, Greg.
Yes, what's that?
You are currently a Soul Brother. Where are you located, my man?
Tacoma, Washington.
Are there Soul Brothers in Tacoma besides you?
Soul Brothers in Tacoma, Washington.
So y'all put your footprint in Washington State.
Pretty much everywhere you go, you're gonna see that patch that looks like this.
Oh, okay. Y'all ain't got into Portland yet?
Not yet, but
oh, y'all need to get over there, man. I know you got some independent bikers out there. You need to reach out. Right. Now, my man, what's your name, my man?
Chris.
Chris, you heard the bike previously when I just left the shop right now. Now you came back to the back, and if you tune my YouTube video, it says, "Do not sit on my bike." So we're gonna give you a little dose, and you tell me what you thinking. Just switch the song. No, next button, right there. Right there. So we in the old school right now,
That's
so
good.
So I'm just gonna give you some stuff to play with.
Relax, man.
I'm gonna let you find something. I'm pausing this while you're looking for a song you want to hear.
We'll bring you into this. This is a classic, y'all.
My love is blind, can't you see my desire? That's the
Big
way
Money
love
Rob,
goes.
right here in East Philadelphia, California.
Put what you need on it, Gary. Put what you need on it.
Let's go. Let's put some bass on it. On the intro. Ready? Here we go.
Like a man on the flame, by the fire. My love is blind, can't you see my desire? Like a man on the flame, by the fire.
As the saying go, I'm just letting y'all see what I see. Gary over there showing too many of the pieces off the puzzle, but it's okay. We're gonna let it slide. They'll catch on one day. We gotta go.